of the vlog because I'm pairing this. Hold on, Ryker. I'm pairing this with Ryker's birthday party. Today's his actual birthday. Say hi, happy birthday. How old? Jeez. How old are you? 8. I know, crazy, huh? And you lost a tooth this week? We're just waiting on the second front tooth to come out. But today hasn't 100% gone as planned, but not necessarily in a bad way. Well, ish. So this morning I had graduation. So I had to go to that in College Station. Graduation in College Station. Yes. And where did y'all go?
We went to daycare.
There you go.
I have one. Yeah, we went to daycare. It was fun.
Good.
Creed was in the big room with Ryker.
Yeah. I had graduation this morning. It ran way over. They were even making the school behind us sit there and wait outside, not even letting them inside, which we don't know why. Then we went to eat, and then Carla, my department head, she dropped me off at the daycare with the boys. Well, you were there too. You met us at the daycare. We picked up the boys, got home. We got our trailer, our new trailer. I'll do a tour. Yeah, I'll do a tour in a second. I thought we were gonna get home at lunchtime, and instead we got home at like 2:30. We didn't really get the trailer set up. However, we've got what I hope is everything we need for this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend and Ryker's birthday, so we're going to the beach. Our friend Casey is doing like a birthday thing for her mom, and she told us about it, and we were like, wait, we'll have our camper by then, like, let's go. And then Cody last minute found an RV spot today. We were gonna just dry camp on the beach, so this is even better, and it worked out perfectly.
And it was only $60 a night.
Yeah, which isn't too bad.
And we got my Nintendo box.
A Nintendo Switch for your birthday.
What he got from his birthday.
Yeah. So we stopped on our way to the beach. We stopped to go. We stopped at Walmart to pick up a bunch of stuff. We brought some food, but there were certain things that we needed. We're on our way. We should be there 30 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah.
We should be there in 30 minutes, and we'll set up the RV.
So 37.
And then I'll try to do a quick look-see, but I might do a separate video of just the RV tour. So, yeah. Real quick, as we're driving along the ocean, I spotted someone catching a shark, and I was like, oh, he caught a shark, he caught a shark. And this one right here about shit his pants. He was sitting over there
Freaking out.
There's a shark in these waters. And I'm supposed to go swimming in those waters tomorrow. Like literally petrified, scared to death.
But I still
It happens all the time. People catch sharks in Galveston waters all the time, but they're normally babies. Like they're not gonna do anything. If they get you, Cree, they're just gonna nibble on a couple toes. That's it.
Yeah, they'll just take off a couple toes. You'll be fine.
Take off?
Yeah, like you'll lose a toe. He'll bite it off.
No,
like this. Like you'll. Whoop, there you go.
Just nibble on it.
You'll be fine.
It's just a little snack.
Yeah, we'll put a band-aid on it.
It's just a little snack.
If he bites your fingers right here, you have to do that.
Oh, there's spotlights too. You can see all the lights. We're here at our campsite. Casey went to the Kevin Fowler concert because it's at their RV park. The RV park they stayed at has a grand opening today, and they're doing a Kevin Fowler concert and I think a bunch of other concerts. But we don't have to go to the concert. We don't have to pay tickets to go to the concert. We have the concert in our backyard. You can hear every word and you can see the spotlights.
We
Look at
were
the
out
lights.
here singing together.
Yeah.
The neighbors.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Look at the lights, you can see him.
Oh, Kevin Fowler, and they start freaking out.
Yeah. You can see the lights, look. Crazy. Huh? We got a free show. There's a drinking man. Can you get this freaking tire out of here?
Yeah.
We believe that these
They're watching a movie. We gotta unpack, get everything kind of situated. We're excited. I'll do a tour tomorrow, so that video will be separate. Alright, good morning, and it's Saturday, May 28th. I don't know, I think I'm doing a terrible job vlogging, and I don't know how long this video is going to be, but we are up. We had some issues with the RV. We had some flooding going on in the outdoor kitchen because he said that there might be a leak with the toilet, and I think that there is. I think it's just the flush water is getting poured into the black tank. So like Cody had to, the black tank filled up 2 or 3 times this morning. Kitchen flooded 2 or 3 times. So I think there's an issue there. Cody got some pipes or like a shutoff valve to put on there, but he's missing some tape. So he's gonna fix that. But while we're gone, I think we're just gonna turn the water off completely just so that there's no issues.
Still, the tanks are left open, so.
Yeah, we're leaving the tanks open, but you can
water.
see a small trickle of water going through the black tank because there is a leak. Yeah, so that's why we might as well just turn it off while we're gone. We're gonna go to the pool. We're waiting on Mike though. Casey just asked when are we being here? Gonna get here? No.
No, we're good to go.
Okay, we have a few friends up here or down here. Yeah, we're south compared to where we live, so down. But we're gonna go swim with Casey and Harper at where they're staying at. It's a brand new opening. I think I mentioned that last night talking about the Kevin Fowler concert. Kind of pricey to get tickets just to go enjoy the pool, but we can be there until 10 p.m. and there's a lot of like amenities, so should be good.
Somebody out here.
Who are you?
No, green.
I was just gonna show the.
You want me to grab this white ball?
Yes, please.
So you put A, B, C, D, E, F.
Got a little setup here. Are you ready to go to the pool, boys? Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Beach ball.
Yeah, you should be able to. And we're trying to set up. Cody started getting crap out. I don't know why.
I don't know. I wanted to get organized.
No, I know. It's hard to get organized though because some of their stuff's still in here.
I know.
It's like some of it I want to get rid of, but some of it I want to use. So we'll see. But we're gonna go.
Roll Tide! Roll Tide!